Hi everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This is our 2010 60 registered Mercedes Benz S350, finished in iridium silver. It's got the full AMG styling kit, including the wheels. It's done 81,000 miles. It's got 12 Mercedes services or specialist, and it is in absolutely superb condition. It's got the bi-xenon lights with the adaptive or the auto main beam. The 21-inch alloys, which are all unmarked, really good tyres all round. It's just 2 owners on the vehicle. It is a facelift car. You won't find one much cleaner than this. And the arches are really good. A lot of people ask what the rear arches are like on a Merc. They don't suffer with the rust like they used to. Absolutely stunning. These cars drive really well. They're fantastic value now. We'll show you inside. Start with the boot as usual. Good sized boot. It's a standard wheelbase model, and the boot is still enormous. It's got your toolkit, etc., and spare wheel under there. Inside the car's got the black leather, which is unmarked. Very, very, very nice quality leather. It's not pleather, it is the proper stuff. As you can see, obviously it's got Isofix, you've got your rear armrest and your cup holders, rear electric windows, all your cubby holes, etc. In the front, again, absolutely superb. The seats are unmarked. It's got the wood steering wheel, or the wood and leather steering wheel, which is quite nice. Got the heated seats, all your switch gears perfect. Got your auto lights and wipers. As you can see, the vehicle has done 81,841 on the miles, and we'll just start it for you. As you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. Radio, no DAB I'm afraid, just normal radio, but we do have working digital TV. Bit of Ross Kemp there for you, and whoever David is, there you go, Ross Kemp and David on telly. Got your navigation, Bluetooth telephone, and your audio interface. It has got an input somewhere, I do believe. Just a video input. Anyway, all the tech, all the bits and bobs, all working as they should. Got the analog clock in the middle, which is just a nice touch. Your climate control, media interface in the centre with your SD card and your CD changer, ashtray, and compartment in the middle, which you can get a cup holder attachment for. All really nice in the centre. Got the James Bond style phone. I think that's really cool. I like that. Got your paddle shifts. Yeah. Look at the condition of that steering wheel. Honestly, this car, gorgeous. Fantastic value. It's less than 10 grand. Probably 70 grand new, maybe 60, I don't know, but a lot of money. Definitely more than 10. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you in it for a test drive, and I'm sure we'll have a deal. Thanks for watching.